Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Wednesday, June 12th, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, and the candle that we're analysing is the second last candle on the chart. The final candle here is still currently developing, but is quite significant, and I might mention that in a minute. But looking at the current candle that has finished developing, we have a small body candle. A trend has developed to the upside. We have a series of fairly large white body candles, but here at the moment we're seeing a very small candle, and that does suggest potential for a change of trend back to the downside. We do have a shadow on the top and on the bottom of this candle, suggesting that it's a spinning top type candle, so a candle of indecision. But the shadow on the bottom is much larger than on the top, so we've had a serious amount of upside price rejection in this market. The important thing here in this market and at the close of trading today is that the market has managed to close up above this important zone of resistance. And this was an important level from quite a fair time period ago, and has acted as a level of support and resistance on many occasions now. And we saw the market trade up into that level on very bullish candles, and I suggested yesterday that the market may have found some solid momentum to actually close up above that level, and we have seen that happen. Now, with the market closing up towards the high, we have seen the buyers take control of this market, and we saw the sellers lose commitment as evidenced by this shadow. And now what we're seeing here is this zone of previous resistance is now turning into support, and that's quite significant that it's actually changed character, and this does support the idea that the market will be trading to higher levels. The close up above the 133.20 level in a bullish manner here is, as I've mentioned, is significant, and as we're seeing this market develop today, we are already seeing an uptrend continued, with the market making a higher high and a higher low. We have potential resistance at the 134 level. That has been an important level in the past, so let's wait and see how the market reacts to that. But if we see a solid bullish close up above there, we could quickly see the market trading up to the 134.85 level. If we see the market come off, then I suggest that the 133.20 level and in the zone extending down to 132.50 will act as very solid support for this market now. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, here today for this trading period that has closed, we saw the market test to the 38.2% level and be rejected from there on a small body candle. It does raise some doubt about continuation of the trend, so we do need to be aware of that. But if we look at where the market closed within the range, closing up towards the high, suggesting that the buyers have control of this market, it does suggest also, and with a greater likelihood, that the market will trade up. Looking at the current candle, how it's trading, it is having trouble trading through the 38.2% level. We do need to watch today's trading. If we see price rejection from there, then there would be potential for a change of trend. But if we see some solid bullish activity up above that 133.61 level, the market could quickly test up to the 50% level at 134.19. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement, we did have a bullish close up above the 100% level. We're in an expansive mode of that on this candle that's indecisive, but where the buyers have closed with control. Today's trading, the market looks as though it's likely to test up to the 161.8% level at 133.84, and we do need to watch how the market behaves up around that level. In terms of Ichimoku, a bullish market in all three timeframes. The market's trading up above the cloud, so we have a bullish market in the long-term timeframe, trading above the Kijun-sen, and for the close of today's trading, it's starting to point up quite sharply, so bullish and showing some solid upside momentum. And similar for the Tenkan-sen, the green line here, closing up above there, and the angle of that is quite steep, reflecting the market being bullish in the short-term time frame and also having some solid upside momentum. The Chica span is above the corresponding price action, starts confirming the bullishness that we're seeing in this market. So all of this is suggesting that this market is likely to test at least to the 134 level. Let's watch how it reacts. Solid support should now come in down around the 133.20 level in a zone extending down to 132.50.